I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some.
Alright guys, just got back from the gym, post-workout meal with my hot sauce. Obviously I always bring my hot sauce with my meal, like I don't put it on because I always end up needing extra, but this is it. So I have avocado toast and egg whites with mushrooms, and then I'm just editing my video from yesterday, and then I'll edit this one tomorrow and just put it up whenever. But yeah, okay guys, so we are crossing the road. This is kind of crazy, bro. Bro, why are you wearing that? It's literally freezing out here. That's crazy. I really hope they are. Hopefully you have all of your things like your ID. I feel like your mom sometimes, because like I'm the one reminding you to always bring your ID. Guys, look, she's sick and going to the hospital, but this is how she's acting. Is it even open? Honestly, okay guys, we are here. This is the hospital. Well, that's the garage actually. The hospital's on this side, which you guys will see in a little bit. Oh, I know. We are finally here. Let's see what's wrong with this patient. Oh my god, I forgot that. Bro, this is not the entrance for the emergency room.
I know, but I'm sick.
You can't just walk in through here. Oh my god.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
There's always a first time for everything. Oh my god, I'm so nervous for you. Hi, I was wondering. Okay, we finally got the meds secured. Oh my gosh. Yay. Happy.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I.
Guys, we are literally like in the middle of the street. It's kind of crazy actually. Hopefully we don't get hit. That was close. Hopefully my ID is not flying out. Your ID? Yeah, my pocket. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I get from Whole Foods for the week. Alright guys, the first thing we're gonna get is spinach for like salads. So we're gonna put that in the cart. Where's the fat-free Greek yogurt? And then we're gonna do some fat-free Greek yogurt. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, what was his name? The Cookie Man? No, the Cookie Man makes this guy. Yeah. I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
But so cute. Oh, the Muffin Man, right? No. No, the Muffin Man makes this guy. I don't know. But wait, I wanted to get a bagel, so we're gonna get the bagels. I think I'm getting this one.
Okay, get one of those and get it sliced.
Yeah, you can actually slice it yourself right there. I don't know which one I should get. I know this is like already sliced and packaged, so that's like easier. But all right, you can slice your bread in there. Yeah.
Oh, I should have used.
Is this your first?
Yeah, I've never really done it before. Oh my gosh, I think it's stuck.
No, I think you just open it. Oh.
Yeah, it's definitely stuck.
Wait, redo the process. Like, open it and shut it again.
Definitely stuck.
This is some hard
That's
bread.
actually coming out.
Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay, cool. And then I just use that.
Wow, this is like so much hard work. That's why I just get the like already sliced bread.
Oh my gosh, it doesn't even look like bread anymore.
I know. Okay guys, we decided to pick up some lunch from here, so we're gonna do that now. I think they have some pretty good things going on. I think I'm gonna get something from the salad bar. Wait, which one are you getting? Are you just getting a soup? Chicken and eggs in this little thing because I didn't want to get like a lot of soup. But yeah, that's what we're working with right now. And we're getting some pears right now, and I'm also getting some apples.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't.
So yeah, this is basically all that I get for the week from Whole Foods. Thank you guys so much for watching. So this is basically what I get for the week. And yeah, I just meal prep this, and sometimes I go to the student cafeteria, so like I get my chicken from there sometimes, but this is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history.